Hello students. So yesterday we discussed about like in the part 1 we discussed about what is a set and how to represent a set by using a roster form and a set builder form. So today we will be discussing about the next topic. So we have different types of sets. So that topic is types of sets. So we have different types of sets. So the first type of set is an empty set. Empty set is like if you're having a set with no elements. So this set is known as an empty set. So there is no element in this, and this can also be written as A is equals to pi. So this is P H I pi. So this also represents an empty set. Okay. For example, you can take empty set is like a set A which is represented by X such that months in an year having more than 31 days. More than 31 days. So this is representing an empty set. So there will be no month in a year which is having 31 days or more than 31 days. Okay. So next we have empty set. So after empty set we have finite set and infinite set. So the second type of set is finite set. So set B having finite number of elements, or maybe another set B is having only the vowels. So if a set is having finite number of elements, this set is known as a finite set. And next one is a set is having infinite elements. Infinite elements, that set is known as an infinite set. So suppose we are having a set and it is written as X such that X belongs to a set of natural numbers. Or this can also be written as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to the infinite. So this set is having infinite number of elements, that's why it is known as infinite set. Okay, next we have equal sets. So the next one is equal sets. So two sets are equal if they are having same number of elements and same type of elements. Meaning to say, if you are having a set A with the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there is another set B with the elements 3, 2, 1, 4. So both the sets are having the same elements, means they are representing the same set, same elements. That's why here A and B are equal. So we can say set A is equals to set B. So they must have exactly the same elements. Okay, so exactly same elements. Okay, so now based on this types of sets, we have exercise 1.2. So let's come to the second exercise of the chapter 1.2. So in the first question, we have which of the following are examples of null set. Null set, empty set, both are same. So the first one is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So we can say there is no natural number which is divisible by 2, that should be odd. So this set is an empty set. So the first one set is a null set. Set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. So this is not an empty set. This is not an null set because we have a 2. This is an even number and prime number as well. So this is not an empty set. Okay. The third one is x is a natural number which is greater than 7 and less than 6, less than 5. So x is less than 5 and greater than 7. So there is no natural number which satisfies both the conditions. So it is an empty set. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So there is no point which is common between two parallel lines. So it is also an empty set. Which of the sets are, second question is which of the sets are finite or infinite. So in the question number 2 we have to find sets are finite set or infinite sets. So in the question number 2 the first part is set of months of a year. So if the number of elements are countable, then it is known as a finite set, otherwise it is infinite set. So set of months of a year, so see we know that the number of months in a year is 12, it is countable, so it is a finite set. Fine. In the second we are having a set like this, so it is having infinite number of elements, that's why it is an infinite set. The third one is having the number of elements 1, 2, 3 up to 100, it is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. So in the next part we have set of positive integers which are greater than 100, so there are infinite number of elements, it is an infinite set. The set of prime numbers less than 99, so it is a finite set. Okay. The question number 3 is state whether each of the following set is a finite or infinite. So the first part is set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. So there are infinite number of lines which are parallel to x-axis, hence it is infinite set. Set of letters in English alphabet. See, we know that there are limited number of alphabets in a English alphabet. So the number of letters are limited, so that's why it is a finite set. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. The third part of the question is set of numbers which are multiple of 5. So again it is infinite set. The set of animals living on the earth, it is also infinite. Set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0, so it is also infinite. Fine. Question number 4. In the following state whether A and B are equal or not equal. So this exercise is very easy, and in the fourth we have to check whether the sets are equal or not equal. So let me tell you again, two sets are equal if they are having exactly the same number of elements, same elements you can say. So in the first part we have set A is equals to A, B, C, D, and the next set is set B is equals to D, C, B, A. So we can see there are same number of elements, exactly the same, but their order is different, so order may vary. So this here the set A is equals to set B. Next second part is 4, 8, 12 and 16, 4, 8, 16 and 18. So second part we have set A is equals to 4, 8, 12 and 16. And in the set B, we have the elements 8, 4, 16 and 18. So in this clearly we can see that 8 is in both the sets, 4 is there, 16 is there, but because of this 18, these sets are not equal. So here A is not equals to B. Okay, C part, that is the third part. The third part, we have set A, which is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these are the even numbers from 2 to 10. And set B is X such that X is positive even number and X is less than or equals to 10. So here set A is representing a roster form and set B is having the representation in set builder form. But if you check for B, B is also representing X is a positive even number which is less than or equals to 10. So here B is also having the same elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we can say A and B are equal. Okay. In the next part we have A is equals to X such that X is a multiple of 10. And in the B set we are having 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So we can say that the sets are not equal because in set B we are having 15, 25 which are not a multiple of 10. Okay, so I hope आपको सबको समझ में भी आ रहा होगा. Okay, so next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is all the following pair of sets equal give reasons. Okay, again we have to check sets are equal or not. In set A we are having the elements 2, 3 and there is another set B which is having X such that X is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So here set A is having two elements 2 and 3 and set B is having a quadratic equation, the solution of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6. So first we have to solve it and we have to find the solution of this. So here it is a quadratic equation, so we can factorize it by using a middle term split method. And here if you check the factors, so x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0, which can be written as x plus 2 plus 3, you can take common, x plus 2 is equals to 0. So from here we have x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. This implies x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to minus 3. So here A is 2, 3 and we are having B. So we can say the set B is minus 2, minus 3. So here clearly A and B are not equal. A is not equals to B. Fine. Second part of the question number 5. So in the second part of the question number 5, we have a set A x such that x is a letter in the word follow. So in the follow word we have these 4 letters, and in set B it is written as y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. So wolf. So here we can say see clearly both the sets are having the same, exactly the same elements. So here A and B are equal. So they are equal sets. The question number 6, again we have to find sets are equal or not. From the given sets below, select equal sets. So we have some sets here. So let me first note it down. So here we have set A. The elements are 2, 4, 8 and 12. Then we have set B. The elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set C is also there, 2, 8, 12 and 14. Then we have next set, set D, 3, 1, 4, 2. Then we have set E, which is minus 1 and 1. Next set is set F, A. Set G is also there, minus 1 and 1. And set H is there, 0 and 1. Here order is changed. Okay, so we have to find the equal sets. So from this we can say set A 2, 4, 8 and 12. Do we have the same elements in any other set? No. So set A is not equals to any of the set. Set B and set D are equal, having the exactly same elements. Here set E and set G are equal, having exactly the same elements. So only we can say B is equals to D and E is equals to G. So these two sets, these two pairs are having same elements. Okay, so this is about different types of sets. So let me just simply revise it. The first we have empty set, and this set is also known as a null set, which is having no element. And the second set is having the finite number of elements, that is known as a finite set. The next type of set is infinite set, which is having infinite number of elements. And then next we discussed about there is an equal set. So equal sets are having the exactly same elements. That set is known as equal sets. So this is about the today's lecture. So in the next lecture we will be studying about some next topics, like we having some operations on sets, what are the subsets. So इस चैनल के साथ आप बने रहिए, सारे वीडियोस को चेक करें. अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे आपके पास सारे नोटिफिकेशन आते रहें. एंड अगर आपके कोई डाउट्स हो, इफ यू वांट टू आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस, तो यू कैन कमेंट मी. और ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट में मेरे को जरूर बताएं. थैंक यू.